In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bills in QuickBooks Online. If you ever find yourself needing to remove bills from your financial records, perhaps due to an error in entry or changes in your financial obligations, it's crucial to know how to do so accurately and efficiently. I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a panel with various options designed to make navigation easier. You'll find a tab labeled Expenses. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially your hub for managing all transaction-related activities, making it an essential tool for keeping an eye on your business's financial health. After clicking on Expenses, you'll need to locate the Bills tab. It's conveniently situated to allow easy access to all the bills you've recorded in your system. Click on this Bills tab. It's here that you'll find a comprehensive list of all the bills you've entered, each accompanied by details like date, amount, and vendor, which helps in verifying the bills you plan to delete. Now that you're in the Bills section, you'll need to identify which bills you want to delete. QuickBooks provides a user-friendly interface where each bill has a small checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check these boxes for the bills you wish to delete. It's a good practice to double-check these selections to ensure you're only removing the intended bills. Mistakes can sometimes occur, especially if lots of entries need auditing. Once you've selected the bills you intend to delete, your attention should move to the top of the list where a Delete button will appear. This button becomes active once items are checked off, providing a clear visual cue for the next step. Click on this Delete button. QuickBooks might prompt a confirmation to finalize your decision to delete these bills, thus safeguarding against accidental deletions and ensuring that any action you take is deliberate. And with that, you're done. You've successfully deleted the unwanted bills from your QuickBooks Online account. Remember, maintaining accurate books is essential for understanding your business's financial performance, so it's always a good idea to periodically review and manage your bills and other financial documents. That concludes our tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it adds to your productivity and confidence while using QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, keep your financial data organized and error-free.